Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here you get everything about tarot reading, astrology, numerology, dream interpretations and much more. This is the one place to stop by me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do that right away. And about what's coming into your life in general, whether it's a love reading or career reading, we will look at the cards in a while. So if you have came out of the deck is the Fool card. It is a major arcana. This card is all about start beginning of the something. Means it's all about ending one cycle, the phase between ending one cycle and the beginning of the cycle, new cycle. So this is the in between phase. So the Fool also suggests that there is a lot of immature energy and the person wants to explore the world. He doesn't want to take any kind of responsibility at this moment. He's looking at the world in a childlike manner. He wants to explore the world in a very childlike manner. This card is also suggests that the person is not thinking, is not serious at this moment of the time. The next card which came out of the deck is the Emperor card. So this is the very powerful card. It could also suggest that the person who has in power is trying to control your life at this moment. Because the next card is the Page of Pentacles. The Page of Pentacles is all about learning the ways to earn that one pentacle. He is looking to earn that pentacle right now. So definitely pages are also the messages. So it also possible that there is some message you are gonna receive, and you will meet somebody or somebody who has the Emperor qualities is also going to meet you at your workplace, or you have already know this person which is trying to control your life, but you want to freely live your life in your way. You don't want anyone's control in your life right now. So with the page it also suggests that you are looking at your career. You are at an early stage of your career for some of you. For those of you who already are in some career, so they are thinking about to change some career or thinking about the new ways to earn something new in their career. So I wanna clarify this card, so let's shuffle. For some of you is it could also be possible that your boss we have the Eight of Wands at this moment. So Eight of Wands is also suggests the success. So if you somebody have been working so hard on some project or any kind of thing, then they are going to get the success and things are moving forward. For some of you it could be possible that you will be soon you will travel, you will have to travel for work related things, or you will have to travel, or you just want to explore. So you will plan some small excursions. You will go on some your angel messages, what angel wants to tell you at this moment. Universe, please show me one message. Please show me the cards, what's coming for the person, what's coming in general into the life of people, what's coming in general, what's coming in general, what's coming in general? What's coming in general? What's coming in general? Okay. So the first card which came out of the deck is also the number 1, and it shows the manifest your dreams. So of course this card is also clarifying the card 8 of wands, which shows the success in your life. And let's read what angels have in message for you. You are ready to go. There is no need for additional preparation. Take the first steps towards the changes you desire. Even if they are small steps, notice signs that guide you in the right direction, as well as resources and support that miraculously appear. So definitely this card is telling you not to sit and just dreaming about your dreams. This card is also suggesting that taking steps towards your goals or towards your dreams. So the universe has got your back at this moment, and universe is ready. You are ready to go. That if you want anything, then right now you can achieve anything in your life with this card. So definitely you want to at least small steps, but you have to take those steps. What is the next card? Next card is the Guardian of Abundance card. So this card is all about the great success. All your plans are going to be blessed by the universe, and you will get lots of opportunities career wise or in love too. So make sure that you accept those opportunities in your life, of course by weighing pros and cons of the situation. So this person in this card is a very powerful person. He can achieve anything he wants in his life. He's right now waiting for some kind of opportunities. So the opportunities will be presented, best opportunities will be presented towards him. The next card is about Helper of Abundance. So this card is also about, we have two cards related to abundance, and both the cards are saying you that your angels are with you and has got your back, and they are ready to help you out. Just you have to ask for help. Don't think that you have to do it as yourself. You don't have to think like that, because the angels are ready to help you, and you have to be organized at this moment of time. You cannot be, if you are looking for a career, then you cannot freely move towards anything. You have to think about it wisely, so that you will get that success. To achieve this success, you have to be take steps, at least a small steps, but you have to take steps at this moment. Now it's enough for you to make a plans. So yes, I also want to do one for, this is all about career. So let's think about what's coming for you in your love life. What's coming for love life? What's coming in love? What's coming in love? Universe, please show me what's coming in love. What's coming in love? Universe, please show me what's coming for love. Universe, please show me what's coming for love. Show me what's coming for love. Please show me what's coming for love. Please show me what's coming for love. Universe, show me what's coming in love. Universe, please show me what's coming in love. Please show me what's coming for love. Wow. you have the card Two of Cups. So definitely, if you are looking for some kind of commitment, or if you are looking for marriage, thinking about getting married, or thinking about love lately, then this card shows that someone is going to come to your life very soon, and is going to offer you, is going to propose to you, or for those of you who have been in a relationship, so they are going to tie knot very soon. They are going to think about their relationship seriously, and they are thinking about getting married too. This card is also suggests that partnership. So if you want to, in business wise, Seven of Pentacles. So in terms of love, this card is more about money related matters. But as we have asked the questions about love, so this card is all about the patience. If you have been waiting for love to come towards you, then you have to wait for it. This is not going to come to you easily. So yeah, that's it for you today. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also like this video. This is the best way to support free tarot readings. Thank you so much, and good luck for your future, and bye bye. Have a nice week.